How to top up Nexos AI credit for OpenClaw. So when you're using OpenClaw and then you're out of credit, you are definitely going to see something like this. And when you come to your dashboard, you are going to see the remaining balance of your AI credit. So if you see something like this, you have to top it up. So let me show you. Simply come to the top up and then come and click on it. So you will see that all these credit options will show up. Okay, you have the option to look through and come and select the one that you prefer. Okay, simply come and then check the circle to select the one that you prefer, just like this. You're going to see the amount of it. And then all that you have to do is simply come and then click on choose payment method. Over here, you are going to see all the payment methods are available that you can select. Okay, and you are going to see the summary, and all that you have to do is simply come and then select the one that you prefer. So if you select the card, simply come and put in the name of your card, the number, the expiring date, and then the CVC code. That is the number at the back of your card. Just put it right here and come and then click on the submit. Okay, so over here they are going to send you a code. Okay, simply put it here and come and click on submit, and that is it. Okay, it's as simple as that. So after making the payment, you can come and click on the manage. Okay, from your KVM2, and then come here to where you have the Docker, and then come and then click on the Docker management. Okay, and over here you are simply going to see the credit that you just bought right inside your dashboard, just like this. So like the video and then see you in my next video.